There are many galaxies in our universe. We don't know exactly how much, but according to scientists, there are 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. In our own galaxy, the Milky Way contains 3916 solar systems. That means there are 3916 stars with planets orbiting them in one galaxy. Earlier I said how many such galaxies are there in our universe, but life is only on one planet? Is it believable? Maybe somewhere in the universe there is life like us, or more advanced than us, or less advanced than us. But where? With our technology, we can get images of distant black holes or distant stars. But why can't our technology find extraterrestrial life? Today we'll know about that. Every possibility, every detailed reason I will try to present in front of you. So let's get started. Our universe began about 13.8 billion years ago with an explosion. We know it as the Big Bang. Since then, it has been expanding steadily, an invincible force accelerating this expansion. Roughly 400 million years after the Big Bang, the universe began to come out its dark ages. During this time, gas collapsed enough to form fast stars and galaxies. Later, more stars and more galaxies are formed, and finally, after 4.6 billion years after the Big Bang, our solar system formed. And based on astronomical studies, life began on Earth about 3.7 billion years ago. But we're missing something. What about other planets? Why we can't find them? The first reason is a little strange, but maybe it's true. There are no aliens to find them. We live in a violent universe where something is happening all the time, like the birth of a new star or a new planet, or the death of a star, and black holes are everywhere. So according to some people, Earth may be the only planet where life has been transmitted, but scientists have discovered more than 5,000 exoplanets till date and finding more. So is this the first theory true? Our solar system has a wide variety of planets, dwarf planets, and moons. We studied each one for its potential to host life, but they all have specific conditions that may harm or benefit life. But still we found nothing. So now back to our next reason why we can't find aliens. The next reason simple. Probably intelligent lives has no technology. It makes sense. We always thought that aliens might be much more advanced than us. Because we also like to think that maybe they have been in this universe since before our Earth was created. So maybe they will possess a lot of technology. But what if we are wrong? Maybe we are the most advanced animal in this universe. Perhaps life has just begun on a habitable planet billions of light years away, or millions of light years away, in a solar system, at the bottom of that planet's vast oceans. Just imagine how difficult it would be for mankind to find that life. Life may have started with single cell organisms, just as it did on our Earth 3.7 million years ago. So obviously that organism must not have advanced technology. So even if we wait years for a radio signal through a radio telescope in the sky, the signal will not come because they aren't broadcasting any signals and we will never know they existed. Now comes the next probability. Probably intelligent life self-destructs. Let's assume humans first. We have used science to invent various devices for various purposes. Likewise, we have used this science to create many formidable firearms. We have fought 2 world wars, witnessed genocides, and still see murders everywhere. Moreover, we are increasingly destroying the environment due to our own activities. Water, air, soil are polluting everywhere. As a result, various harmful diseases are being discovered. In this way, alien civilizations may have extinct before they were found. The reason can be anything: planetary pollution, mass destruction, bioweapon, or any disease. Even if life has become extinct on a distant planet in space, it is almost impossible to find the remains of its civilization. That's because we haven't discovered any spaceship traveling at the speed of light yet. So if billions of light years, conversations really end there. The next reason is similar to the first, but slightly different. Space is big. Yes, many will agree with me that space is really big. For comparison, consider our Milky Way is 100,000 light years across. A light year is the distance that light can travel in 1 year, but we are not yet able to grasp the speed of light. Hence our neighboring exoplanet is only 4.2 light years away. With our current technology, it will take us more than 63,000 years to get there. So if there is life in a galaxy billions of light years away from the Milky Way, and if that life is continuously sending out radio signals, so the speed of the radio signal, which is limited to light speed, will take many years to reach us. So it may not have arrived yet. Now let's talk about everyone. Aliens are far more advanced than us. So advanced that they don't use radio signals at all. Yes, they come to Earth long before us. They know a lot about our universe. So they are not sitting with the useless signal, radio signals like us. They are using some other medium like neutrino signals or some other medium which travels many times faster than the speed of light. And we know nothing about that. So maybe they are using those signals but we don't understand. The next factor is quite interesting. Maybe no one is sending a signal, everyone is listening. As such, we are always constantly waiting for the signal. Maybe there will come a day when alien messages come. Maybe in a galaxy far away, they are waiting for our signal. So if someone doesn't send signals and just listens, we might never find the aliens. Maybe aliens are right in front of us, but we can't see. It could be for many reasons, like the government or any other political issues don't want to show aliens, or other reasons. You will find many such videos on the internet that government don't want to show you the existence of aliens. Anyway, aliens may be watching us or they know about us. They are watching our every moment, but they left us to experiment. For example, we left our closest relatives, the chimpanzees, into the wild. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake proposed a formula. This is the formula. This formula shows the number of detectable civilization we should expect within our galaxy at given moment in time. The reason I am going to tell you now is not said by any scientist. This is totally my opinion. Tell me what you think about this in the comments. To date, NASA has discovered many planets that are similar to Earth, but much larger. These planets are known as super Earth. As these super Earths are larger in size, their gravitational pull is much greater than Earth's. What if an alien civilization develops on such a super Earth? Then they will be stuck in it. How? To be larger than Earth, the gravitational force of that planet would also be much greater. So it will make space travel almost impossible. If they can invent any new advanced technology to get off that planet, until then they might be extinct on this super Earth and we may never know about them. But what if the alien was in biology state? Single cell form, and then for some reason there was a drastic change that caused all the aliens to become too extinct. As I said before, our universe is very violent. There is a hypothesis theory, which is the quarantine hypothesis. That is, life may have started on some planet billions of light years away or somewhere near us. They are very advanced and they don't want to communicate with the outside world or other world being. We didn't want to hide any part because we have been to the moon, looking at our planet through various satellites, exploring through various space probes, mapping our solar system in Voyager, so that if any aliens find in the future, they can know about our life, about our solar system, about our planet Earth, but they may not want to come for some unknown reason. They may be ignoring us all the time, so maybe we can find them. But it's just a hypothesis. As far away as aliens are, we will find out one day. If they exist, if our Earth is the only planet in this vast universe where there is life, then we will understand that we have wasted our time to searching alien life. But it is foolish to think that our planet is the only life in the universe. The search will be very difficult because the universe is so big and we are looking for alien life, much like finding a needle in a haystack. But if humans find alien life in the future, so will they communicate with us? Or they will be the cause of our destruction. As we see in the movies, we have many theories about what aliens will look like. Imagine if those theories are wrong and we find humans on other planets. Whatever aliens are, if that's the case, there are no aliens anywhere in the universe. We are the aliens. If there are aliens billions of light years away, they don't know about us because according to them, our solar system is not yet formed. Whatever. Even though many people think aliens don't exist, I believe they do. Somewhere maybe we are not looking for in the right places. Or they communicate through other medium that we don't understand. Or maybe some government agency doesn't let us to know about the aliens. Whatever the reason is, our interest in aliens will never wane. And we are never alone in this vast universe.